Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add order tracking page on Shopify for beginners. So first you just have to simply open your Shopify and then here you have to go to your orders. So basically if you have a specific order right here and you want to add order tracking, all you have to do is to click that specific order number, and then you should see this. Below, there are two options, fulfill item or request fulfillment. So you have to click the very first one here, which is fulfill item. And then after you have tapped that one, then you will see this option, add tracking right here. Okay, so basically this ad tracking refers to setting up and integrating tracking system that help you monitor various aspects of customer interaction such as website traffic, sales conversion, and user behavior. So now you can add the tracking number here. And then if you tap the shipping carrier, then you can tap that one and then select the shipping carrier that you want. So basically this is how you add tracking number to a specific product here in Shopify. So as you can see, after you have added tracking number, then you can select the shipping carrier right here. All you have to do is scroll down to look for that. Okay, so basically that's it. That's how easy it is. Adding a tracking number in Shopify is important because it helps both the store owner and the customer manage and monitor shipments efficiently. And I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.